See if I am up. So we're live. Cool. Awesome. All right. Well. Yo, UGAM. How you doing? Leaper, hi. I'm the entertainer, hi. Zach, how's it going? Good. I'm good. Thank you. Penguin, hi. Everyone just joining in so fast. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Love from Philippines. How's it going? Love from Canada. How's everyone doing today? Can you guys hear me okay? Let's see. Hello. Everyone can hear me okay? Let me see here. Just to make sure that I am. Good morning, everyone. Oh, yeah, I can hear myself. Cool. How's everyone doing today? Okay, perfect. All right, well, I just wanted to say, so love from Canada to everybody. This is where we're doing it. And yes, voice is good because I am now using a microphone right here. Beforehand, I was just, sorry, I realized I got to speak into it. Beforehand, I had to use these AirPods, which create this like echoey kind of vibe, and it was not good whatsoever. So now I have this microphone that's on an arm too, so it feels like a real professional. If you check out the Fast Forward podcast, you know I do it there, but honestly, it's awesome. So yeah, love from Canada, everyone. I see some people from Germany, some people from India, some people, this freaking light, I hate it so much. Like, it's flickering. Bulgaria, I see some people are from India. Nigeria, perfect, cool. Always wanted to visit all these countries. So, is it morning here? It's 11:46 at the moment, so it's pretty early. It's pretty early. Well, I mean, it's not really early. It's pretty like it's evening or afternoon almost. So, Indonesia, Pakistan, Hungary, Greece, Romania, nice. Wow, everybody. SoCal, okay, cool. Morocco, Poland, oh my goodness. Brazil, Rwanda, Denmark. I hope you guys aren't just naming countries at this point. Bangladesh, wow. Yep, you know, I know a lot of people are using, it's late for you guys. That's why I always have to start the stream a bit early. England, I see. United States, perfect. South Africa, Italy, oh my goodness. Everyone's from everywhere. Wow. It's so awesome to hear that everybody is. Sweden, cool. Oh, I also see, okay, well, it looks like we're still, all right, we're good. India, Germany, Kenya, it's afternoon. Okay, wow. Well, welcome everybody, welcome. I'm happy that everyone could join. Noob at programming, yes, you can ask questions right here. But today, on today's stream, what we're gonna be doing is my business. If you don't know my business, this is at Tomorrow Inc. This is my business to start with me and my co-founders. We're here. We're working on this new, we're working on this one startup called Casper AI that lets you use GPT-3 from anywhere within your computer. So it's like an AI ghostwriter. So that's what it's called. If you want to check it out, it's casper.ai. I'll go ahead and link this directly in my chat here. I'm going to go ahead and let's just put this in the chat here. Why you can't read Pakistan? I did read Pakistan, unless you're saying, why can't I read Pakistan language? Let's see, working on this. I'll just do that. Can I pin my comment? Yes, I can. Okay, perfect. So if you guys want to check it out, there it is right there. But, okay, let's see. I'll just answer a couple more questions and then I'll kind of get started and I'll give a little demo of what I'm kind of working on. All right. I can just say we have a lot of countries. Yep. Love from Jupiter. Oh, nice. We have our first interplanetary person. So thank you, Mohammed, from being from Jupiter. I hope the internet's good up there. Nepal, cool. GPT-4 is coming too. Yeah, it's coming soon. Yes, ask questions all you want, guys. From your heart. Yep, from my heart. What is GPT-3? It's like AI. So think of it like OpenAI, ChatGPT type of thing. What do you think C++ has any specific benefits over other options like Rust, C, or Go? I mean, it's just one of the most popular languages to ever exist. You'll get really low level. I mean, Rust is definitely trying to get there, but I mean, C++ has been there for a very long time. Which is best for 2023, Flutter or React Native? I always prefer React Native because I have a React background. I've also tried Flutter and it was really cool too. So I would just choose both, or I would choose one or the other. React Native, it might be easier to translate your skills over, but I'm pretty sure Flutter is the same. So honestly, just whatever you think. Can you discuss the Rust usage in the industry? At the moment, it's definitely growing in popularity, but it's not, it's still not there. It's the most loved programming language. So there's that. Oh, sorry guys, trying to catch up here. It's so awesome to see 153 people. That's so awesome. Holy crap. I did the first like, everybody, Terminator Gaming, he did the first like. Gotta give a clap there. What do you think about the paid version of ChatGPT? I mean, if it means I can use it without it crashing, then I'm all for it. Jordan, nice. I think that's meaning you're from Jordan. Oh, wow. I got someone there through super chat there. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm still trying to, can I create chatbots as my college project? Yes, you absolutely can. Is it delay? Yes. Well, I don't think there is a delay. I'm just delayed at getting all these questions answered. How are you, Lewis? Hope you're fine. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking, Elto. What is ChatGPT? I think I got that. What text? So this is actually using Tori. It's a Rust and backend. So it's going to be with Svelte. Should I stick with web development, go for React Native? Please answer. I mean, whatever you want to do. If you want to create apps, go with React Native. Let's see, I think that Hive admittedly, will there be a free tier or will Casper be fully paid program? Right now, I think we're looking into the free tier aspect of it. We're just kind of still figuring it out at the moment, but we're just trying to create a cool application you can use on Windows and Mac. Love from the Andromeda Galaxy. Well, thank you so much. So like, I thought we only had, what's it called? I thought we had one little different planet. We have different galaxies tuning in today. Thank you so much for visiting for different galaxies. That's really awesome. Malaysia just entered the waitlist. Oh, thank you so much. How to contact you? I have a business email if it's business related in I think my link tree. Okay, so guys, sorry, I'm just trying to catch up here. So if I miss your comment, just ask again, and I'll definitely get to it. Hello, Lewis. So this is part of Avfishek. Thank you for the donation. Hello, Lewis. Make a part of your startup. Your videos are awesome. Hoping to switch from Node.js to Rest. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I am in Python, so you'll see a little bit of Python in today's stream. You're going to see a bit of Rust. You're going to see a bit of Svelte. Rust is a lot harder than Node.js, than Python. But yeah, honestly, best of luck to you there, actually. Thanks for the donation. What is Metaverse? Metaverse is like the new virtual reality world that we're all going to be taking part in, or maybe not. That's for you to decide. Do you trust Zuck or do you trust yourself? Why is software engineering so frustrating? Yes, it very much is frustrating, but it's just part of the job. It's so that your wins can be better wins and your losses are tougher losses. What do I think about Next.js 13? I actually have no idea. Let's see. Next.js 13. First of all, this oh. This light doesn't want to cooperate today. But you know what? I think it looks pretty fun without it. So without me just do this here. I need to get a new light. There we go. Okay, we're turning it off. Okay, sorry. Next.js 13. Let's check it out. Oh, I mean, this is not a new article whatsoever. Okay. I think I check it out. I think I've seen this before. Oh yeah, with Turbo Pack. Oh wow, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be crazy. I'm excited. Java's going to dead. I don't think so. Do you know the language? TPL, and can you explain it? I do not know that language. No. How's it going? All right, good to see you live. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. So, all right, guys. I'm getting to the bottom of the chat closely. I see. What are we doing here? Just if you're new or if you're just coming into the chat, right here, this is Casper.ai. You'll see it on, this is the new company that the new startup that my business is starting. It's just a way for you to use GPT-3 or OpenAI in any application. So I'll go ahead and give a demo here. So 1 second. One thing I want to do is I want to zoom in a tiny little bit there. See how I have a little bit. There we go. There we go. Now you can't see anything in the background. Okay, perfect. All right. What is the best? So React, I would say React Native or Flutter. Both are pretty good. It's just honestly whatever you want to choose. I think React Native has more cross compatibility, but that could be false. Best way to get into data science in 2013. I would say to, let's see. I mean, I would definitely say to learn Python if you're a brand new. All right, Shambu. All right, Shambu, you gotta stop spamming your comments there. Okay, so how's it going, everybody? I hope everyone's doing well. I really do. So let me just go ahead and enter my code here, okay? So we have 3 different types of code bases right now. So let me go ahead and zoom in there. So I have one for the actual application itself, one that has the back end where we're grabbing it, and you can't see my API keys. Thank you for the follow, everybody. Thank you. I actually should probably open up. I'm going to open up my Twitch stream here because I actually do not know if people are commenting there. Am I hiring for the startup? Not at the moment. We are getting there though. If people are... Okay, so I do see that no one is there. Great to see you. Code with Hassan. Hey Lewis, great to see you. Big fan, thank you very much. Why 720p? Good question. Maybe this stream sucks. Maybe it's the multi-stream. I'm using a multi-stream right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'll open up a terminal, and I use the Warp terminal, by the way, guys, if you are unaware. And I know you can barely see it because of that Discord logo, so let me go ahead and move these puppies. And make sure you guys join my Discord channel, guys, because we are talking a lot. We're having a lot of fun over there. Now, can I zoom in? I don't know if I can. All right, anyway. So here's what we're gonna do. So let me clear this up. Let me clear this bad boy up. We're going into /Casper. Okay, perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, so let's just go. So I have this open. So I'm going to open up code. I'm going to go ahead and do a git fetch of everything. So let's do this so I can grab everything. Did I change? I don't think I changed anything. So yeah, I'll pull this. But we'll go on to our main branch here, or the master branch, I believe. Cool. And yeah, okay, that way I can grab the latest version. Now let's go back to Warp and we'll do, what is it? npm run Tori dev. That's it. Hello, everybody. Oh, and look at that. We get oh, you know what it is? It's because I am not on Node version 16. So everybody, if you're not aware of Node.js or how to use it, Node Version Manager, aka NVM, is what makes it so that I can switch between my different versions of Node. So then I can now use npm run Tori dev, and it uses V to compile the front end, and then it uses Cargo to run the Tori aspect of it. Can you make a Vim for VS Code tutorial? Oh, I would love to. I just needed to learn how to use Vim and how to exit it. Love this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Say my name out loud. Nakul Dingra. How's it going, everybody? Never used Warp. I've never used Warp. How do you find it so far? I like it a lot. I mean, it's kind of like a modern text editor, or not text editor, terminal. I think it's really great. Cool. Awesome. All right, guys, again, love to get to the comments. I just want to make sure this keeps going. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what we have going here. Actually, before I do that, just because we're working on a local development field. So let me go ahead. So I have it open right here. Again, there's some things that need to be fixed, but I'm going to go ahead and go into now a different directory. And this is where we're going to be using Docker to compose up. I don't think I need to run a build. Okay, screw it. We'll just do a build. So in order for our in order for our backend to run kind of seamlessly among different types of architectures anywhere, we're just running it on a Docker container where we can then bring it up. So let me go ahead and go open here, Docker compose. So if you look right here, I only have it on one little thing right here. It's just on, like, we just have one small container, but I think as we add more things like a Redis container or like a reverse proxy, it'll make sense here. All right, please hire me. What is my favorite programming language? Probably Python, because I'm just so used to it, but I'm trying to get off of it. Isn't :q to exit Vim? Yes, that's true. Is any part of Casper open source? We use a lot of open source packages. I don't know if we're going to make this open source necessarily. However, we do have potential plans for Casper to be open source in some areas, but we're still trying to figure that out. No module named Cognito JWT. Okay, I messed up here. Oh, let me just remove this then. And then I'll just do this because, again, this is not what we're going to need for now. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Docker compose up. I mean, I probably didn't need the build statement there. Okay, sorry. Again, just catching up with these comments, guys. You guys are going crazy. WebAssembly, your thoughts on next few years? I use WebAssembly applications like Figma. It's so cool, but I honestly don't really have much thought of it. I'm just hoping to see some really cool stuff. Say my name louder. We'll see. I needed to take a break from code. Well, you know what? That's good if you want to take a break from code, because code is not, it's something that, you know, if it's burning you out, you have to take a break from. I mean, that's with everything. I got my freelance account banned for saying the N-word to my own account in my DMs. Oh, well, I'm sorry to hear, Pixel, I guess. I mean, just don't say the word, bro. Don't say the word. No benefit. What is your favorite programming language? I think I asked that or answered that already. I can't wait for a Linux. I know they need to hurry up with that. Come on, Warp, if you're watching, let's get that Windows and Linux version out, okay? With peace and love, of course. Is anyone, let's see here. Hack NASA? Oh yeah, maybe that's what I should do. I should hack NASA in this stream. You should hire an intern, aka me. Cool. All right, guys. Well, so let's see here. So, okay, so we did boot it up there. So now, let me show you a little demo. Let me show you a little demo of what we're doing here. So if I open up with a hotkey, it opens up this little prompt right here. So I know it's a little bit showing. It's being covered a little bit by the chat up here, but it goes, and it's a little, we need a couple more styling issues. But in this case right here, we're kind of using the power of ChatGPT, so you can apply it in every single application that you use. And this will work on Windows and on Mac as well. Right now, we're unsure if it's gonna work on Linux because we haven't tested it on Linux, so it might. But I could say, create a greeting for programmers in a live stream. Okay, then you hit enter, and then it's going to generate you text to say on stream, or I mean really anywhere, but so I'm going to say, so then you have a series of commands that you can do. So you can ask it for a new prompt, you can do copy. So I'm just going to copy this right here, and then let me go back over to you guys here. Text to, and so now I can say, greetings everyone, I'm excited to welcome all you programmers to our live stream. Let's make the most of this experience and learn something new today. So that's the point of it. So the point is that no matter what your situation is, you can generate AI copy so that you can get your task done a lot quicker. I do use a Mac. I saw someone said that. I'm not using Windows. Hate it when you see error messages when you show a demo to a friend. I know, what's going on here? It's almost like they know that you are trying to show something off and they give an error. No AirPod audio quality. Thanks. Yeah, no problem. I love these AirPods, all right? But they're definitely not, they're not good for you guys. Nice. Oh, Lee is here. What's up, Lee? How is Laravel for 2023? Love from Nepal. It's still really good. He's the one that made me learn Rust. CPY, this is for you. I'm new here. Can you explain what your startup is all about? I don't know if you just saw what the demo was, but it's just an AI ghostwriter, essentially. It lets you use GPT-3 in anywhere on your computer. Available for Windows and Mac, and possibly Linux. We just haven't tried on Linux, okay? Let's see. Hey man, thanks for the educative videos. Pleasure is mine. You are smart. Thank you very much. The thing is, I'm not a very smart person. I just work hard, you know? I mean, let's see. Hey man, thanks for the, do you watch anime? No, but I'm starting to watch it. I do not have a CS degree. Since ChatGPT has been, yeah, I use ChatGPT all the time. I actually really like it, but I'm hoping to use Casper AI instead. I love your shorts. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So part of this stream as well, part of this stream is what I wanted to do is I wanted to kind of show what it looks like for me to be able to, you know, as a software developer working on a team, because there's two other incredible developers who are working on this, which if you go to tomorrowtech.ca, is that what it is? Or is it tomorrow? What is it? What is our, is it bad that I don't know our website? So yeah, so if we have tomorrowtech.com, geez. Okay. So yeah, so it's not just me working on this. This is our company website, by the way. If I go to about, you can see I do have a lot of other incredible people working on this. Here's one of them right here, Jack, and then there's Sean right there. You can see our little emojis right here. So we're all working on this really cool project. So what I want to show today is, because I'm working on this with other developers, what does it look like to work with other developers in this kind of setting? So that's what we're going to work on today. So we use Jira to be able to organize our tasks. I appreciate everybody talking in the chat. I'm sorry if I'm not responding to your questions. I'm not ignoring it. I just, yeah, I got lots of things on the docket here. So if I go, and by the way, light mode, yikes. Okay, so someone from Sri Lanka, how are you doing? Emil, how are you doing? I know you, Scuffies. So here we go. So the way we do is that every 2 weeks, we go onto a sprint board that is right here that helps us be able to determine on what to work on. So if I go ahead and zoom in here, you can see right here that we have a sprint. So this sprint ends in 2 days, and we still got a lot of things to do. So what we have here is we have things that we have to do this week, and then we have to go into progress. So in progress is the things that we are working on. So this is something I'm going to work on right here. So I'm going to assign myself. In review means that we're doing a code review. So on GitHub, we do pull requests, and this is where we do a review. And then done is just the things that we have done. So yeah, so today I have this one right here, create function to track and store individual credit spend. So the way OpenAI works is that you have the API, and every time you get a new response, it takes away a certain amount of credits. So because we're using one API key and we're paying for all the things, we want to just see how many credits is an individual user spending. So that's how we want to kind of move forward within this application to, track that. Right now we have Sean working on some perform actions on existing text. So in case you want to make your text shorter or longer, it's really cool as well. I know, guys, I'm sorry about light mode. Okay. I did not know it was going to look like this. It just came like this. Okay. So let's see. I don't know how to do it, so I am just going to ignore it. But anyway, we're going back into this now, and this is how we're going to do it. By the way, everyone, let's change. You guys like light? You guys said you like light themes. Is that what you said? You like light themes? We can stay a light theme. If you guys are being good, I'll switch back to dark mode. Just joking. Short sky streaming. Light attracts bugs. Can I get a job? I mean, everyone could get a job. It's tough. This is. I'm self-employed, so. No, my eyes. That light's fine. No, F no. I'm sorry. Okay. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I am using Mac at the moment. Am I in a dark room? I'm actually not in a dark room. I'm in a light room, actually. I just have a green screen. Okay, well, let's just move forward here. So, guys, what we're going to do is here. So this is the endpoint that goes back. So whenever you activate the Command C right here, or the prompt. So this is open. You can open this up with just a key binding, and you just say, how do I make a peanut butter sandwich? Okay, so generate text. And of course, this is how it's being generated right here. So, spread a layer of peanut butter on one slice of bread, place the other slice on top so the buttered side faces inward. Cut the sandwich in half and enjoy. But here's the thing. Okay, so first of all, do you put peanut butter on both sides or just one? Anyway, sorry, a little aside there. This is how it works. So in order for it to be able to get onto the front end, we have to stream it forward. So when it streams, so think about this, okay? I'm just gonna put a quick timer on screen. Let's do a timer, okay? If I open up this timer, where did it go? There we go. So here, I'm just gonna do this real quick, okay? So activate this timer. Did the timer go off? Does this timer even work? Oh, okay, it's that kind of timer. So clock. Stopwatch. Okay, now watch this. So let me show you something. Let me show you one thing here, because this was key to our user experience here. So I'm going to say, write a paragraph asking to resign from my job. Okay, let's just do that. Now, again, this is going to be a pretty long sentence, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the stop clock. Okay, there we go. Now watch how long it takes from start to finish to give the response. Okay, so right here, can you zoom? Yeah, sorry, I know it's a little small for this. I can't change the zoom actually. So anyway, as you saw, it took about 10 seconds to give this whole entire response from beginning to end. So the reason we did this was because if we stream it forward, just notice how, like, you know, every time write a cool sentence. Notice how every time we do it, it comes in one at a time, kind of like ChatGPT if you've ever used it before. So life is a roller coaster full of unexpected turns and drops, but that's why it's so fun. Don't know why I said that. But if we decided not to do that, we would have to wait for the whole entire thing to happen and then give it back all as one big block of text, which we felt like it wouldn't have been a good idea. So that's what this logic does right here. It allows us to be able to stream this response back over so we're using the Fast API with Python in order to do that. Just getting back to the comments here. What theme are you using? Good question. It's called Night Owl. Ooh, but I kind of like that one. Anyway. I got my first major job in coding this month. Yo, good job, Jacob. Clap for Jacob, everybody. A good clap for Jacob. If you've ever, I've played CSGO, and the flashbang would hurt my eyes. So yeah, light mode is like that. I want to make an app for my startup. Can React Native worth it? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it gets you out really fast. I was working on PHP Laravel. I want to switch to some other. What should I be learning now? I mean, honestly, whatever you want to. I mean, if you're good with PHP and Laravel, I don't see why you should change. Let's see. What is this project? It is, so if you look at the pinned comment, it's a new AI startup that I'm working on with my company. Rust and Svelte, awesome. Oh, it's a ChatGPT widget. Yes, it's using Tori, and I'll go into this Svelte code in a minute here. Can you zoom? Does anyone know how old he is? I'm 28 years old. How to make an app for my startup. Okay, I think I saw that. Faster than Googling for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Bing AI have internet. GPT doesn't. So sign up for Azure, please. Hey guys, what theme is Lewis using? I think I just showed it. Let me know if you need me to show it again. How long have you been coding? For about 7 years professionally now. Maybe 8 actually, about 8 years professionally. Can you increase font size? Yes, I absolutely can. Sorry about this. There we go. CSGO fan here. Yes. CSGO is awesome. I want to make an app. Yes. Can you increase font size? Yes. Clap. Everyone clap for Jacob up there. That was, you know, we got to celebrate the wins. Like, we're an epic community. We got to celebrate the wins of everyone here. Font plus. Yeah. Sorry. On Casper, I'm not sure if I can update the font. I'll have to look that in, but I do that. Bing AI. I saw that. It looks really cool. Debian, hey guys, got an internship today. Feels awesome. Well, you know what? We gotta do some a little bit more. You know what I mean? So party balloons. All right, everybody. This is for Jacob, and this is also for Debian. I wonder if you were able to see that there. We gotta celebrate the wins of all the people today. Let's celebrate the wins. Sorry guys, I'm getting so distracted. Is Casper free to use? Yes, we will have a free tier. Best coding tech jobs, whatever you want, honestly. I want to be a game developer, kind of, but it's also pretty tough. Okay, does it have filter like ChatGPT? What do you mean like filter? What are you pursuing in life? This right here, YouTube. How many companies do you have? Just 2, I guess. The YouTube channel right here, TikTok, Twitch, whatever, as well as Tomorrowwink. All right. Yep. Congratulations to everybody who deserves, you know, everyone deserves awesome stuff. So congrats. All right. All right, let's get back into it, everybody. Let's get back into it. So that's the streaming aspect, but it seems like in here, this is where we need to put the Amazon Cognito stuff. So I need to, so that's already there. We need to add the Amazon, so we're using Amazon Cognito. So I'll show everyone what that is. So we're using AWS Cognito to be able to do our authentication within the applications. And it's basically an AWS service that does all the hard work for you. We like the pricing idea, so that's why we went with it. So it's like per monthly active user, it's like 0.0055 or something. So it becomes extremely like scalable as well. So this is how we're planning on scaling, or that's how we're planning on doing the user authentication. So let's have a look here. So yeah, right here we have the verify. So we have this right here. It's going to decode the token that you're going to have in your when you do the login. It's going to take the region that you're in, the user pool ID, and our app client ID. And again, this is what. So I'm going to unprint this because I feel like this is going to cause some scary issues. So I have some very, very scary credentials that will not be good if anyone had it. So there they are right here. Our OpenAI key, our AWS region, which is CA Central 1. I won't spare you those details. I followed you since 30K subs. Well, you're here now that we've 100x'd 30K subs. So this one's to you. In which language do you rate databases? Let's see. I mean, SQL, like if you want to make your own database, that's a tough task. I have no idea. But SQL, if you want to query it. I want to learn that streaming technique you've mentioned. Okay, so yeah, so anyway, so because we're using Fast API, it's using asynchronous. And so the streaming method is using something called server-side events. So if I go into our Svelte application, so was it page.svelte? I think this is it. Yeah, here we are right here. We're actually using a Microsoft package to, yeah, right here. So it's called fetch event source. You think it's a good idea to show your backend to the public? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is all, again, at the end of the day, this is all for informative content. I mean, any security measures we do, we'll always make sure everything's secure on our end. But it's all about open. We're open here. We're open here. There's no gatekeeping in this channel. Can you run it? Yeah, I can run it. It's already running at the moment. Let me just go ahead and remove this here because this is what's causing issues within our. So, yep. So if I open it up here, if I open up Warp, I think I just got to restart this server here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So actually, before I do that, let me go ahead and run pip. I think I need to run shell activate. Yes, there we go. Perfect. So I'm going to do this. This is just basically, for anyone who doesn't know, this is just me adding on the text. This is just me adding all the requirements in. So now I can just do a Docker compose up build, and that should work with the Amazon Cognito stuff that wasn't on there yet. He can code. Yeah, I don't know why you guys are saying that I can't code. All right, I started a programming channel, and you think I can't code? Like, it's called Coding with Lewis for a reason here, folks. Now, can I code good? I will not answer that question because the answer is no. I'm a bit late. What are we building? We're building Casper AI, which is my company's new startup. I'm not good. enough coder to hack anyway. Nice. Yes, any questions allowed, Reway. I saw that. Imagine saying at a job interview that spiders are the only web developers that enjoy finding bugs all the time. Nice. Just a little joke. I love Python and I love all your videos. Thank you very much, Marina. Cool. Let's see here. So let me just see if that went up. So that went up. So let's go ahead. And so this is the application right here. It's an application that you can activate at any point with a simple key prompt and talk with ChatGPT, GPT-3, etc. So I could say hello to a programming stream. So you can say hello program. So I mean, it's pretty basic. I mean that one, but it allows you. Whoa, just got Fizz donated $3. I got a freaking dono here. Is it because so if I click multi-stream here? I got a freaking dono. Fizz says, thanks for making entertaining videos. Thank you very much, Fizz. Wherever you are in the chat, thank you very much. And thank you for the generous support. That's awesome. So, okay, so that's how it works. This is, we're using it with Tori. Okay, so, all right, guys, so if you're not in, if you're late as well, or not late, I won't say late because you join at your own time, but I'm also showing the process of how software developers, software engineers work as a team. So here we are in Jira, so it's zoomed in nice for you guys. So two other team members that I'm working with are working on some other cool stuff. So Sean and Jack here, they're both excellent developers, better than me even, but I'm here for the ride. And right here, I have set create function to track and store individual credit spend. So here's what I'm gonna do. So in order to be able to, I just wanna see what data do we get back from this response? So for response and completion, so let's just print resp, okay? I just wanna see what we get on our way back. So if I open up Warp, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open up Casper and just say, you know, who is the coolest programmer on YouTube? Maybe. So you can see that it gave me a bunch of prompts already. So I mean, it told me, it was like, I can't give the answer. I think they know it's because of me. We'll let them slide for now. But as you can see, it gave me a huge amount of output here. So as we see here, we see choices. It gives a bunch of choices that it was able to generate. And so created. Now what we need to find out is how much like credit was used. Object, log prompts, index 0, text, that. Okay, so what does it generate that? Because again, the point is that we want to know how much credits did it take to use this. And it's not giving me what seems like a specific amount. So there might honestly be some other API. Oh, geez, you guys are going crazy today with the donos. Okay. Linux Chad, what OS do you daily, and why isn't it Arch? It's Macintosh, Mac OS. Let's have a look here. Oh, no, that has my serial number on it. It's Mac OS Ventura. And it's not Arch because I'm a pleb. I am a stupid Mac pleb that doesn't know anything about any Linux distros apart from Ubuntu. You see, like, the way it works here, everybody, is that the the more you know about Linux, the larger your beard gets. As you can see, I have no beard at the moment. Literally zero. I just shaved today, and that's because I'm a Mac user. I'm not a, I am not like, so see, you can see we have the, if I open this up right here, so if you see right here, we have the Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Arch, Gentoo, etc. All this right here is like no beard, no Linux. I'm sorry, it's just the way things are. Thanks for the dono there. That's honestly so awesome, Linux chat. I appreciate it. Did I see another dono or super chat in here? Felt like I did. Maybe I didn't though. I feel like I might have missed something. If I did. Oh, Ethan Cool, I think I saw something. Oh, Golden D64. I watch your videos every single day. You're so cool. Thank you so much. Jeez, you guys are going crazy. This is honestly overwhelming to see you guys support me this much. All right, so let's see. Okay, so that's how it's going. So let me have a look here. I'm gonna go OpenAI documentation because we need to find out if response have none of token and prompt, which is your word count on the basis you can calculate credit used. Yes, that is correct. So we're using the text completion one. And if I, oh, sorry, let's go to completions, right? Because that's the one I'm using. Let me go back to code. Yes, we're using the OpenAI completions prompt, the max tokens, the temperature. So this is all the parameters that we're using right here. Does your company have a QA department that tests and reviews your code changes? We do have QA of some sort. It's not necessarily the best, but it's something that we're like looking to improve on. Oh yeah, I do see usage right here. What technologies are you using for Casper? We're using Rust, Svelte, and Python. So it's kind of like so Python basically for the server, Rust and Svelte using the Tori framework. How deep was your career before you started YouTube? About 6 years prior. I've only been doing YouTube for about a year. Let's see. YouTube Shorts is addictive and reduce your attention span. Same with TikTok. Yeah, trust me. I don't got time for this. Bye. Well, see you later, Indy Valentin. It was nice seeing you. You got the serial number? Oh, come on, guys. Let's be nice. Cypress. Yeah, Cypress is cool too. All right, let's see here. So the request body. Let's see, I'm trying to find where, because it says the response right here is under the choices model. Or it's like, see how it says like usage right here? It's giving me that that's the response right there. So why am I not getting that in the response here? Am I maybe just like nested too deeply in? Or maybe is that not coming in the stream? Let's see. Oh my goodness. You guys are not, are you guys seriously grabbing my, Look at this. MacBook Pro, 16-inch, 2021, purchase day. Like, you guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. Oh, goddamn. Goddamn. You guys are freaking nuts. Oh, that's hilarious. You guys are freaking beyond crazy. Okay, stop up to. I appreciate everyone that's here. Python course soon. Yeah, a couple of you mentioned Python course. That is in the works at the moment. But again, just like all the videos I try and make on my channel, I try and make them as good as high quality as possible. So I want to make sure that they're going well. So let's see here. So all this is there. So why am I not getting the usage? Because I guarantee, so if I go here, maybe it's like hidden or something. I highly doubt this, but I just want to do this just in case. Okay. Now let's open up Warp again. Where are you? Warp? Okay. Then if I go to, oops. Let's open up a new prompt. What is the coolest way to eat bread? Okay. So yeah, we can see right here that we're actually getting no usage whatsoever because it doesn't even return in the prompt. Which again, that's just kind of like, that's to be expected. We didn't see it. Huge fan. Oh, thank you, Oscar. Nice seeing you. How can we build the prompt like that? Is it a desktop application or what? Yes, it's a desktop application that we're going to be building that is compatible with Mac and Windows. Eventually going to be, and sorry, Ben Plays for Fun, just saw that you followed on Twitch. If you guys are a fan of Twitch, make sure you follow on there and get my follower count up there as well. Yeah, the chat screen has definitely froze. I'm actually thinking about just getting rid of it, to be honest, because I don't really know where, like, I just don't think it's necessarily like that good. I'm just gonna get rid of it because it is just causing issues. Okay. I think you should check your account credit. Yeah, that's definitely a good way to do it, like based on the account. But because we're using one account to potentially power thousands of different users, I don't know if it necessarily works at scale. Do you think remote work is still an option? Absolutely. When Warp will come out to Windows, I have no idea. Mr. Squid 123, thanks for the follow. What programming? RIP chat. Yes. No, I could see chat still. Okay. I can still see chat and I'm still loving chat. I can't have a frozen chat on screen. You know, they need to fix that. Streamlabs OBS. What are you doing? Okay. So let's see here. Maybe it's because the max tokens is set to 100. So maybe it just assumes that it's not supposed to do that. So let's try this. And let's but at the same time, did that also got included? Because they had max tokens here too. It was under 7. Top P. RIP chat. You guys are still here. I'm still watching you. I'm still watching all of you. Yep. Sorry, Mike. Or sorry, everybody. It's down. Which technology are you specifically for that prompt desktop app? So we're using Tori. This is the Casper AI that we're talking about. This is the thing. It's pinned at the top of the chat. It's using Tori, which is Rust, and Svelte for our front end. And then we're using some Python in the back end. How do you deal with the streaming on the front end? Good question. Let me go ahead and show you. So in our Svelte application, we're using Fetch Event Source, which is a Microsoft-based package that lets you use HTTP headers and all that in order to be able to stream and like accept streams. So what you do is you just kind of, so right here, we just have like a local host. We put a post request up, and then we just put our prompt value. And then on here, we can kind of use an event listener to be able to decide what we do on once the stream starts coming in. So that's what we do here. We just parse a JSON message, which comes from the Python backend that you just saw, and then it just inserts it into there. So that's how we do it. It's called, if you're interested, Fetch Event Source. It's really good. It's using the new HTTP 2 server-side events. Let's see. I was 16 when I first discovered you. Now I'm 16. Do you feel old yet? Yeah, I feel so old. I'm 12 years older than you. Where did you find the music playlist? Good question. It is just this one, lo-fi hip hop, no copyright lo-fi hip hop. I love lo-fi, so I just use that. And that's what I've been using. Why you seems like so tired? Do I look tired to you? All right, let's see. So let's go back out to warp. Maybe adding that is gonna, I don't think that's gonna do anything, to be honest. What is a prompt? Okay. Oh, it looks like I got a syntax error. Where's the syntax error? Is that it right there? Is that what I missed? I don't think that was it though. Okay, so again, it's not showing me the tokens that are being made. So let me just see, OpenAI not showing usage. Because part of me wonders if it's because I'm using the streaming API. Because here's the thing too. Stream. If I go to stream, it might honestly just tell you like how often it comes. But I don't even know if that's even it. My company's website is tomorrowtech.com, but you can just, I think you'll be able to see up there on the Casper AI website. React Native for me personally. You inspire me again to programming. I love your content. Thank you, GeoDex. I love that. I love that. That's the goal. Cool that you're streaming. Do you stream from Twitch now as well, or only YouTube? Yep, from Twitch as well. If you go over to Twitch, you'll be able to see it there. Suggestions for getting my first entry-level developer job. Honestly, just maybe contribute to open source, because like again, it's all about experience. Is having internet issues normal in 2023? I guess so. You can check the X usage in the header response. Okay. 1 second, I'll check that in a second. Let me just see if I think I missed a couple people. As a developer with a huge following, do you think it's beneficial for a normal developer to have a small software blog or something and share it in LinkedIn? Yeah, I think by sharing your knowledge, it definitely helps you know that you're knowledgeable in something. That's definitely the most important part. So okay, let's see. Youssef, you said something about the headers. However, I'm just trying to look for it back here. Completions. Let's see. OpenAI API not showing usage. Oh, that's crazy. Nope. So if I go here, let's go ahead and print the response. Did I? Oh, there, yeah, it did print. So I do see there's like, so we get an AI for every single thing. So I do see, notice how we're getting a ID. Because part of me wonders if this could just be offshore to like a Lambda function that allows us to ID. Because these are models. Like part of me wonders if I can get like the completion like ID. Because I can see how it's right here is like ID. Like, is there more information regarding this, or that's why I kind of want to know. Parameter details, retrieve engine, no. Let's see. Because I am using the OpenAI Python. No, I'm not using Linux. I'm using Mac OS. I want to move to Linux at some point, though. So I think this is it right here. And then let's see, maybe there's like maybe there's something here. Prompt token count, tokenizer. Very interesting. It's interesting how we're not able to. What is your startup idea? It's Casper AI right here. It lets you use AI anywhere on your application. So definitely check that out. There's a pinned comment up there on YouTube. Async requests. Hey, maybe ask Levany. Ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's do it. You convinced me. Let's try it. All right, let's try this. Okay. Oops. Okay, OpenAI API isn't giving back usage details. Okay, I don't think that's helping. So in the header response, okay. Here's the thing, how do I check the header? Because you might be right there, Yusuf. So let's go, I'm gonna go with what you're saying there, Yusuf, because I don't think that's gonna, so check header response. I don't think I am planning on upgrading to Plus for ChatGPT because I don't use it that much. I love the AI, but I might just honestly use something like Casper since we're building it anyway. So one second, let's try this. Okay, print await resp.json. I don't think that's gonna work. I feel like I should do resp. Well, I don't need await because we're already waiting. Let's just do completion because it might honestly give everything. It might just be. So let's try. You've inspired me, Youssef. I'm a big fan. Thank you very much. All right. Say hi to the stream. It just says, hi, stream. Did that even do anything? I don't even think that printed the completion. Like, it didn't even tell me if it was like, Comp Gamer, hey Lewis, I love your shorts and your content in general. Really inspired me in many ways. Keep up the great work. Thank you so much, Comp Gamer. And if you guys haven't checked out my video yesterday, it took a lot of time in order to make. Make sure you guys check out my latest video, which is how one line of code cost a company $1 million. It was honestly a great video, a bit biased, but. What company do you work for? It is my company. It's my own company that I work with my two business partners and a small team. Yeah, that's what we do. Print completion. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm printing completion here. Let me just try that. So if I go back to warp here. Oh, look, that's why. So it's getting the async generator. So I don't know if this is 100% what I should do. Let's just try this. Okay. Love from India, a video for college grads. Yeah, I would love to do that. Thank you so much. Where do you plan to visit India? I have no idea. I don't know really much about India. So I will, if you let me know. Tetra, bye, I've got to go. Yeah, see you later, Tetra. Yep, there we go. Cannot wait. Oh, wait, sorry. So let's just try resp.head. So let's just first, what is this? I want us to first see, because it looks like it's already being turned into JSON, like at this point right here, or it's already, or like completions is like with the OpenAI is already being generated into a dictionary of some sort, because I can just use it naturally here. So I have a feeling it's just gonna say dict or OpenAI object. Okay. So yeah, we're just getting open. So we're just getting the OpenAI object. What is the name of your company? My company is called Tomorrow Inc. I work with a bunch of other developers as well. But this is for Casper AI, which I have pinned right up here at the top. You can check it out and join the waitlist. Where are you from? So you want to go to India? I'm from Canada, but I've just wanted to always visit the world. Yes, live stream. I knew from your videos you live stream sessions will entertaining and informative. Anyway, what is this stream about? I am building my startup, like my company startup that we're working on. I was born in Scotland, Edinburgh, Scotland, but then I moved to Canada when I was younger, and I've lived in Canada ever since. Howdy. Completions header. Okay, let's take, if Youssef, you get this, you are goated. Okay. X usage. Now, I have a feeling that we might have to await this, but that's already good. What is the Google it? Yeah, I've been trying, trust me. Yeah, so it looks like we're getting an error here. Async generator. So I do have a feeling that this might be because of maybe no, wait. Let me just try resp here. No, yeah, I thought so. Let me just try this here, because we do resp, this will obviously work, but part of me wonders, get all items in object Python, because part of me wonders if there's some hidden or something. I highly doubt this though. Use the built-in function dir. Okay. Okay. Whoa. So you can see right here, we got all of it right here. So class contains cost. So remove all those. API base, API key. Yeah, you don't want to see that one. API type, API version, construct, copy, engine, get, items, keys, open AID, organization. Huh. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks to the first contribution that I've made a while ago on the Reddit video BakerBot, now I unlock the incredible skill to contribute to open source projects, and I like it a lot. Wow, that's awesome. Congratulations. That's seriously so many people are intimidated to contribute to open source, and that's the best way to do it. So congratulations, Domiziano. I'm sorry if I didn't say your name right. Hey folks, can anyone help me change from Python 3.9 to 2.7? I installed both of them and couldn't find how to change between. Use pyenv. So P-Y-E-N-V. You'll be able to change between different versions, but try and escape 2.7. That's a scary place to be. Do you have an OpenAI subscription? I'm just using the API, which you just do it on a per credit basis. What are you working on right now? My AI startup, Casper AI. Check out the pinned comment. Like we have MVM for no version for Python. We have similar thing, but in an IDE. Yes, you can. Javant, I think. You can also use pyenv as well. That works exactly like that. Thank you. Are you using Flask? No, I'm using Fast API. I was using Flask before though. Thoughts on Lua, and I've only used Lua once, and that's when I made Roblox games a long time ago. We're using Rust for. Rust is for the back end, or of the front end sort of the entire thing here, of this application. PyCharm allows you to, yep, that does. Rust makes me sad. It does hurt my brain a little bit. I am not gonna lie. Okay, so let's go back to Chrome here. So I need to find out why so break, that makes sense. So I want to know await print completion. Oh, I'm not too well. I don't work too well with with async await yet. All right. When did I start programming? I mean, I started it like a long time ago, like in 2006. But I mean, I wasn't good and I didn't take it seriously. So I learned professionally in like 2013 and then worked from about 2015. Your video editing is, oh, I thought I said average. Savage. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. I try, for me, like I always notice in programming videos that the editing was never cool. It was never as engaging as people wanted to be. So I always try and make my shorts as engage and videos as engaging as possible. So me and Will, who helps edit some videos, put a lot of effort into it. How to start software developing? By developing software, just boom, go right into it. Get those tutorials done and then just go into it. Watching while doing the dishes. All right, well, there you go. That's how you do it. Vibes. Jacob, he kills it. He's always doing something good. C++ versus Java versus Python. It's whatever you want. I like Python, but it really depends on what you want to do. Why did I change the Fast API? Because it has better I just whacked this. I chose Fast API because it has better async await compatibility. It also is just kind of the brand new kid on the block, and I just kind of enjoy it. It's really fast. Hence Fast API. Hello, Manu. Jagadeep. Hi, bro. I am a computer science graduate, but I started to build web apps recently. I'm using React as front end. Now my question is which language to learn for backend. My choice is JavaScript, Java, or Go. If you're looking to build web apps, I would just say JavaScript, because JavaScript on the front end, JavaScript on the back end, you know, like same language. It's like, you know, they're bros. Jayant, I have a question, Lewis. Can do the same with Instagram like you did with Reddit? Like grab, well, I'm not entirely sure. I mean, it is open source. Instagram does not have a good API though. You're too good to be young. Mind telling me how old you are? I am 28 years old. How do you learn programming? Which language first? My first language was Python. Like professionally. I learned Java in school, but Python was my first love. Jacob, you and Tiff and Tech are my favorite coding content creators. Yes, Tiff and Tech. You know, I spoke with Tiff and Tech maybe like 2 or 3 months ago or something. We hopped on a Google or a Zoom call or something, and we were talking. And she puts a lot of work in. She has like a full-time software like developer relations job, and she puts out a lot of content. Like she puts out a lot of content. She's killing it. Like let's see what Tiff and Tech's doing right now. Like I think she just had a video out the other day, and it was really good. Yeah, like 235. Like look at all these videos. Like, yeah, honestly, killing it. Yeah, props to Tiff and Tech. Yeah, really good channel, and Canadian too. So you guys support your fellow Canadian tech creators. At Lewis, I want to start freelancing as a teen, but don't know where to start. Oh, that's tough. Honestly, reach out to local businesses, show them what you're capable of doing. And yeah, I would just do that. Irfan, hi Lewis, how's it going? A student in Canada, you really answer to our big questions such as Spotify random thing, also how Instagram stories are pictures, etc. Respect for that. Hey, appreciate that, a student in Canada. Make sure you check out my latest video. It's about Shopify and how they solved a bug that would have cost them $1 million. My video, my favorite video yet. But of course, first time seeing you live. Oh, well, thank you. MIS, I always wanted to go into computer science college, but unfortunately I couldn't, so went to management information system instead. I have no idea what management information system is, but I mean, like, you can always learn computer science on your own. I mean, again, learning it in school, it will always benefit you better, but there's always an opportunity there. What are you building now? Casper AI, check it up. Pinned comment, make sure you guys join the wait list. General programming, Python. How many programming languages do you know? Like maybe like 3 or 4. Lewis, you complete beginners looking to become a self-taught dev. Do you recommend learning software dev with Java or web development with JavaScript? I like web development with JavaScript, but depending on what your area where you want to be, maybe Java is the one for you. So first, answer that question first. Bro, I can't even get an unpaid internship and I have to finish JavaScript. You got this. I believe in you. Bro, for at least as good to get a web development job, what types of projects should I do? Honestly, just keep watching. Just keep doing stuff. You know what I mean? Like you just got to keep going. It's tough. I've learned a lot of hard lessons over the years. Sir, in which stuff you learn software? YouTube, internship, honestly, just by doing. Like I just make sure I keep doing it, and I go at it. It's tough, but you just gotta learn by doing. Java or Python, which has more jobs? I honestly have no idea. I want to create a mobile application, but I don't want to use Swift or Flutter. You can use React Native then? One or the other. Hey, cool stream. What was that hand gesture you did there? Was it this one? It's the love sign, I think, or it's a heart sign, not love. It's like heart, I believe. I want to do the I code Roblox games. Cool. Did you watch the movie Megan? Yes, I did. Me and my fiance went to see that in movies. It was pretty freaking awesome. How many hours a day do you spend learning on your early professional days? Like most of them, to be honest. Like if you had it, it was like if you work an 8-hour day, for me, it was like I spent like 5 hours learning, 3 hours implementing, maybe even not. All right, we're going back into the code here, guys. One question. I got one question here for you guys as well. One question for the chat. I know you've asked me. I'm happy to answer your questions, but I want to answer your questions now. What other tech programming YouTubers do you follow? And do you want to maybe see a collab? Like I would love to collab with another tech creator that you guys are a fan of. So let me know in the comments who your favorite programming people are. I would love to be able to check them out. So I don't know if that's working exactly. So let's see. Test. I don't. None type, because I just have a feeling what's going to happen is that if I don't put the away, it's just going to give me the generator. All right. Let's see here. Code with Harry. Okay, let's see code with Harry. Oh my God, 3.76 mil? Oh my goodness. This guy will not even look at me twice. All right, we're subscribing. Okay. Let's see, code Fireship. Love Fireship. He's one of my favorites. Look at that, Fireship. I watch all of his video. Fireship. Dev Simplify. Danny. Oh, Danny, he's really good. The game developer guy. Make some guys for free code camp. Yeah, maybe. He is Indian, by the way. Hey, India's awesome. Nothing wrong with India. Go with Harry. James Quick, tech lead. Okay. Just looking all these people up so I can. Okay, James Q Quick. Okay. Plural Site Live. Okay, let's look that up. I'm just looking these up at this point. I don't know that's a thing there. Royal Skies. Okay. You guys are really, I'm loving the suggestions here, guys.
So I know it's been kind of quiet here for the last.
Oh God, that was loud. The guy's voice, man. Collab, Code with Harry collab. He has 2 channels. Coding Garden. Oh, is that the coding train? Oh no. Oh, I know Coding Garden though. Oh, I love this person's channel. Traversing Media, of course. Absolute goat. Fireship, 100 sexes. Yep, those are good. M Coding. Oh, I already subscribed to M Coding. Anya. Oh, Anya. Yep, I love Anya's channel too. Hitesh Chowdhury. Perfect. Yep, absolutely. Tech lead. What about Ben Awad? Yeah, I already follow Ben Awad. He's great. Coding bro code. Check. The Primogen. Yeah, I'm a big fan. JDM Life. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do something. Look at me. I'm trying to have a look here. Coding with Lewis. That's my channel right here for all those interested. I mean, you obviously know. Cool. Thanks for the suggestion, guys. Yeah, I'm definitely looking to collab with some of these awesome creators. Let's see, async generator. Okay. Code with Lewis. I think this is not going to do anything. All right, let's go back over here. Yeah, I was going to say that the await definitely didn't work either in that situation. So let's, I'm just really curious as to why it's not working. Tech with Tim. Yeah, Tech with Tim's also great too. DevAd. Yeah, I love DevAd. I just want to say thank you everybody for getting me to the level I am right now. If I go to my YouTube studio, private information, but only you guys get to see. You can see right here, 309 subscribers. We're going to hit 310 subscribers. Like that seriously is just so insane to me that I have so many people following me and supporting what I do. And I'm glad I could help inspire a lot of you to code or build better projects. Let's see. What's your favorite podcast? By Sam. Sam McKay's. Great music. Great music. Check it out, guys. Sam. On Spotify, really good music. Favorite podcast is the Fast Forward podcast. The Fast Forward podcast with Lee and Lewis. Coding Garden said that he appreciate that you like his content. Wait, what? Are you Coding Garden? Or is he like live right now? Oh, he's live right now. 1 second. Okay, why is this? This is kind of like Streamception right here. Hey, I came from going with Lewis. Yeah, see right here. Look at this. Someone right here. Spit over here. Look at that. That's too good. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. You guys are just going everywhere. You guys are bombing everyone. Oh, that's too good. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to catch up with everybody. Conflict. What tips would you give to someone who doesn't know what to do next? Well, where are you at? Let us know where you're at. No problem, sugar-coated. We're working on my AI startup here. It's called Casper. It's just it's a desktop application that lets you use ChatGPT or GPT-3 anywhere you are. Let's see, which AWS certification is good, relevant for front-end engineer? I mean, AWS is mostly specified in back-end, but I mean, front-end having like a solutions architect would be really beneficial for you. Following you since 20K? Wow, you're a real one. You're a real one. That is a long, long time ago. Your content is unique and educational and educating. Thank you so much. Jomatech. Oh yeah, honestly, that would be so dope if I could do Jomatech. What should I do? What should I do next? I'm not sure if I should go into web development or app development. Honestly, up to you. What do you think is best? App development is still necessary. Web development still necessary. You're awesome, dude. I watch your shorts all the time. I appreciate you so much. It's because you're cute, Lewis. You got me. App development is trending. Bro, how to start contribute to open source? Just download it, whatever you're using. Try and improve on it. My Reddit bot is a good example of that. Let's see. Do you use Linux? I do use Linux on like a server. 1 second. I got to show you guys something hilarious, okay? Can't hear me. Okay. So, you guys know how I am always constantly wearing different stuff. I get comments on my shorts all the time, like, do you just bring a whole wardrobe into it? And the thing is, yes, it absolutely is. 1 sec here. I'm going to stream ending, extra scene. Let's see if someone does anything. Hello? Yeah, you can still hear me. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead, add a new source. I'm coming back, guys. Don't worry. I'm not leaving just yet. Video capture device. There we go. There we go. Hello. Okay. Check this out. I have a whole entire wardrobe. A whole entire wardrobe that I have here just dedicated to doing all this stuff. You know what I mean? Like, this stuff is getting kind of nuts. Yo, sorry about, was the sound painful? I've just been loud again. All right. All right. Yeah, shit. I'm so sorry. Very loud. All right. Everyone, Jack Adair. This is a developer of Casper, one of the big dogs behind Casper. Let's see here. This is a big dog behind Casper. All right. Which way is it? This way? Did I move this over a bit? Okay, I think that's it. So yeah, one of the Casper devs is right there. Eric, thank you so much, man. Are you streaming in Office? Yes, I'm streaming in Office in the studio. Okay. Hello, everybody. Still 113 user or 30 users watching. What buzz? Bro, you remind me of my game dev teacher. Or does your game dev teacher remind you of me? That's what I want to know. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. So I want to know why we're not getting the tokens here, because that is a real essential thing. Yes, I'm a full-time YouTuber and a business owner. I'm both. Okay, so yeah, I'm just wondering why I'm not getting the usage aspect of it, because I should be getting usage. So if I go to the, yeah, let's go to the Python module. Because it's not, it's showing, it just doesn't show the usage. Thank you, Rakesh. I appreciate the comments. Pleasure is mine for sharing the knowledge. I'm just trying my best. Presence penalty, frequency best of, logit bias. So, I mean, we could just honestly say, like, we'll go to a so let me go to the streaming options, okay? Because, okay, already used that. So they do bring up the streaming options here. So if I go stream, whether to stream bash, if set tokens will be sent as data only server side events that become available with the stream terminated by. So I do know that if they have it, if set tokens will be sent as, so I wonder if it's only going to send one token at a time, because if it just sends one token at a time, then it's pretty easy to just how many times is it going to be sent? What is Jacko saying here in the chat? Make sure everybody, make sure you give Jack a dare. Give him the heart emoji. Okay, give him the heart emoji, because he and Sean are very hard workers. They're the reason that stuff like this can happen. So everyone give a heart to Jack. Heart to Jack. Do I ask ChatGPT for coding problems? Sometimes I do. I sometimes give them my coding problems and it does answer. Eric, you said Django. No, not Django. It's Fast API. So you know what? It honestly might be the amount of streams. So I do have a while true, and we can't break. So let's see. Okay, this is how dumb I am at programming. Well, I want to. Oh wait, I could just. Okay, I know we can do something like I equals 0. Okay, I equals 0, and then down here, we'll just do like, Oh wait, never mind. We don't need the while loop. We just need the enumerator. So, enumerate Python. Because part of me just wonders if I can just do this and then just do the for loop. Come on, where are you? There we go. So you do like for count and resp and enumerate completion. And now again, async is a weird thing. You can just put like, you know, count equals count, I believe. Or no, let's just do tokens equals count. And this is going to say, because it's going to start off with 1, I believe. So that, and then let's just at the end here, let's just print the amount of tokens that we get. Because then that way we can, like, I can just assume, like, let's say that it gives us 10 different iterations. That was 10 different tokens it gives us. I think that's the way it might work, but okay. Look at that. The love is being given to Jack right now. What technologies do I need to learn so that I can work as freelancer as soon as possible? Probably web stuff, so JavaScript. ChatGPT has VS Code extension. Oh, gotta go check that out. Why is your Google Chrome logo color black? Is it? I don't think so. Oh, actually, you're right. It is. Oh my goodness. Do you know what it is? It's because I think it's because I'm using a chroma key for my color back here. I think it's because that green area, it just is also removing it. I really suck at math. Can I become an AI at machine learning engineering? Yeah, you can, but I would definitely keep up with your math. Mathematics is very important in programming. Not necessary, but it is needed. Lewis, what should I do learn for you to hire me once you're no longer just a startup? Or are you planning on selling? Tame Imal Keely Fat. Thank you for following. I don't know exactly. I'll have to get back to you on that one. What are you developing? I'm developing this pinned in the comments there. It's Casper AI. Make sure you guys join the waitlist if you're interested in giving it a try. I really suck at. I already answered that. Maybe think about watching Lewis's roadmap video. Yeah, that's a look at that. I don't even have to plug my own videos anymore. You guys got me. I'm doing an advanced Python course. I know the basics of Python. I'm good at front-end web dev. I want to watch. I want to get into database and app development, make money. I don't know what to do next. You should learn about just do like a roadmap. Like find like a roadmap video where it makes sense for you to, learn what next technology you are. I do have a backend developer roadmap that works really well. It's one of my most popular videos if you want to check that out. Have you been thinking about creating a portfolio review video? And if I would love to be part of it, yeah, that would be a great video. Hi, what do you prefer to learn coding? Websites or YouTube tutorials? Honestly, the documentation usually. You doing Rust? Kind of, not too much right now. I live close to the GTA area. So Toronto. Okay, let's see. Do I code daily? I try to. Okay. Let's get back into the news. So let's just see if this works here, okay? So I'm gonna go into Warp again. And we're just going to go ahead and open up Casper. I just say name 3 Sesame Street characters. What? It's still not working? I wonder if it's because of the async counts right here. So if I go to Warp, whoops. What is it? Async. Oh, it's because of the yield. Now, I wonder if this is going to work. I don't think this is going to work here. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Let's see. Because I do want to be able to get the amount of iterations that this goes through. Now, I just do know that this is because of... So if I go here, yep, it's still trying to do it. So let's go into handy dandy Firefox, which somehow closed, but okay, whatever. Google, let's go to Python enumerate async. Why is that happening? Why is this happening? All right. All right. Thank you. More followers. You guys are great. Is it? Should I just do that? But then tokens isn't even going to get going then. Like, I think that's the, oh wait, no, that's not true. I think it's print tokens. Let's do that here. let's remove that. But I honestly don't even think that's gonna work. Async generator is not. God, I suck. I suck at programming, guys. I suck at programming. So Python enumerate for loop async. Hello, everybody. All right. AI video. Look at Jack Adair just in the comments. Okay, let's see. Oh, that. I was in silence for so long, guys. I was in silence for so long. Let's go back. There we go. I mean, we could also probably do it like this. We could probably make it so that like you can go, like, so instead of doing the enumerate, like, let's see if this works. So remove the enumerate and just kind of do it the old fashioned way. So just like I equals 1 here, and then tokens equals I plus, we'll do 0 here, and then print tokens. Will this work? I don't even know if this is gonna work, so we'll give it a try. All right, let's open up Casper. Okay, so we got that working. Name 2 people who eat toast. Fair. John Smith and Jane Doe both eat toast. I think that's been confirmed. But we can see that we got 1. So it does print after everything. Okay, so this should probably start at 1 then. Because 1 is being, yeah, okay. So we'll start at 1 this time because, so, but the thing is this using 2 tokens? You know what I mean? Like, so let me go to OpenAI now before any of you guys do some sussy things. I'm going over here where it's off the screen. Because I want to see a history and I don't want to expose any secrets because you guys are taking my serial keys and everything. You guys are some sussy bakas. Okay. Now I wonder if I can do, can I see like my history of things I've did? I don't know if I can do that with OpenAI. Like I can know model usage. Oh, 3 requests. No, that's definitely not. February 15th? Yeah, that's today. 6 p.m. All right, well, I don't know what I'm doing. Hello? I think this sounds on. This month's bill will definitely be scary. I mean, once every one of you guys start trying the Casper demo, yeah, it'll be a bit scary seeing what that is going to be. Let's just look up tokens. Harsh, is application development with Flutter a good career option? I would say so. Language models, there we go. Per 1K tokens. What is a token? Okay, you can think of tokens as a pieces of words used naturally. For English text, one token is approximately 4 characters. As a point of reference, the collected, okay. Tokenizer tool. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? It's a tokenizer. How will the pricing work? We're thinking about doing like a flat rate of it at the moment, like just kind of like a monthly cost rather than it being like paid per usage. That way you don't have to worry how much you're being used. You just get a flat rate every single month, but it's something that we're still deciding. So let's just take, for example, this Casper output that we just received right here, okay? So we'll take John Smith and John Doe. So this was 9 tokens total. So if I go to code, we probably don't need this. This iteration is definitely not needed. Like it's just not what was perhaps needed, but we have the GPT-3 tokenizer, and they do have a transform. Check out the, oh, it's Hugging Face. So I know it says GPT-2, but I wonder if that's just the exact same thing. So let's just say GPT-3 tokenizer Python. Okay, so it's the same as GPT-2 is what I'm seeing. So how do I get this into my Python? So Python transformers. A transformer made with Python? That'd be pretty cool. I've been coding in Java backend for 2 years now, and recently I got interested in machine learning. What do you think? Should I continue with Java or try machine learning as a job? I mean, you can do both. I'm pretty sure you could do machine learning with Java. I don't think anyone's stopping you. All right. I just got an email that I received a $3 donation that one of you guys sent. Thank you so much. So, installation. I can just do this with pip, right? Okay. Now, I have a feeling this is going to be a massive... I mean, again, this is running on AWS. It's running on a Docker container. So it's not really going to be like the worst thing in the world to run. So let's just do that. So pip install, okay, transformers. This is the one thing I love about Warp is that you can use it like a normal text editor. Should I learn to design as a front-end dev? I would say so. Absolutely. Favorite programming language? Probably Python. How do you recommend me to start with backend? I already know how to code. Let's see. I mean, honestly, JavaScript, if you know how to do JavaScript, but that's probably the easiest way. Any reason for using Firefox instead of Chrome? I just like the privacy-centric part of it. But like, honestly, here I am streaming my whole life, right? So it might just be redundant. Hello, Lewis. Happy to see you live. Do you recommend making a YouTube channel, making videos from things I learned on my job? I mean, things you can't literally find anywhere. Happy to see you here. Thank you, Zisterdim, I believe. Zerdim. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, with the way the search algorithm, someone's going to run into the same problem that you have and will need your video. So I think it's good. I always run out of maximum requests per hour in just 20 minutes. Yep, absolutely. I am using the Warp terminal. For backend for a large amount of users, was better Django or Node.js? Honestly, it's depending on, like, they both work on the same server. Is Bootstrap worth it to learn? I would say no, it's a little old. Okay, so we got the transformers package. Let's run our, so we'll do pip3 freeze, because otherwise we're gonna get an error. Then we got, the thing is, every time you add a new Docker container, and now I know there's probably a different way you can do this, all right? So don't come at me in the comments, but I'm just gonna rebuild my package. Yeah, I was thinking about using Brave. Is learning C++, yeah, I would say learn C++ if you want to. Yes, I love this stack. Thank you so much. What's the playlist for lo-fi? It is this one right here. It's just a royalty-free one, so I don't get sued. All right, guys. Oops. Oh. We got a Python, we got a pip error. Okay. Can't find Rust compiler. Error, can't find Rust compiler. Really? Okay, I have a feeling this is gonna be an easy fix. Okay. So someone just suggested to put it on your Docker file. Is this it right here? Do I do that? All right, well, let's try that. How did you learn AWS? I just did it by doing. I'm late. We're rebuilding Casper AI, my company's latest startup. It's a pinned comment. Fireship is a legend. I 100% agree. I wish. What do you think about Fireship? He's one of my favorites. What's the best language for Windows app development that's easy to set up? Oh, that's a tough one. I mean, I don't really know. I mean, I know like the .NET stack will make you do it easily, but if you want to do something cross-compatible, maybe the Tory stack will work for you, you know? All right. Wow. 140. So we're at the 2-hour mark, guys, and that's all the time I have today. But I want to let everyone know here to thank you for the stream. If you really enjoyed watching the stream, make sure you go to discord.gg/codingwithlewis. Right there. That's it right there, where we talk about stuff all the time. And if you're very interested in learning about the new startup, it's Casper AI up here at the top. Make sure you join the waitlist, as I'll just kind of be sharing this experience. Everyone will get to try it out for free, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I would love to get your feedback on it. But this is it right here at Casper.ai. And you can follow on these live streams the live development of it. So yeah, make sure you guys follow and give it a chance. So unleash the power of GPT-3. Yeah. But for now, thank you very much for tuning into the stream, everybody. Make sure you subscribe if you're not, follow on Twitch if you are not following. And yeah, thank you very much, everybody, for tuning into today's stream. I'll definitely be doing more of these. So thank you. See you later.